Hello, this is Dylan Lange, branch manager and home loan officer at Evergreen Home Loans. If you are getting this video, it is because you are an awesome builder that I have previously worked with. One of my clients has contracted out to build them their dream home, renovate them a home, anything along those lines, maybe design them a home. And I just want to shoot this video to explain very high level highlights on our diverse set of construction loan products. And so let's dive into it. First off, I wanted to let you guys know my personal website is whatcomhomeloans.com. Feel free to direct any of your clients to this website. It's got a bunch of great resources about our new branch here right by Chicago Title in Berkeley Village. It has a bunch of great videos on our construction loan programs, which I will show you on the YouTube as well as any other loan programs. I also do monthly mortgage updates, just a ton of resources here, testimonials, online reviews from previous construction clients, normal, clients that just purchased a home or refinanced, my contact page, and then where they can apply so that I can see what they are qualified for. I also send my YouTube channel, which it looks like this. It is, once again, at Whatcom Home Loans. And if you scroll down, you will find the construction loan playlist. Each of these videos is a deep dive into our construction loans. So we've got our lot loan product, which is if the client wants to buy raw land. We've got our conforming construction loan. So if they want to borrow under $726,200 in 2023, right? That number changes every year. If they borrow under that, then it would be a conforming construction loan. If they borrow over that, that's their loan amount, not their acquisition cost. Then it would be a jumbo, which would be right here. And then we also have a rehab loan for conforming. And then the jumbo, we can do rehabs as well, which is this same video. So let me give you guys the quick highlights on each of these programs. So let's start with our lot loan. So our lot loan we have a 2% loan origination fee on the lot loan. The appraisal is $1,000. And it's 30% down for the lot loan. And we have a 12-month program and a 24-month program. So it is a balloon. So we want them to secure the lot financing and come back to you and get everything done with the design and the build out. Okay. We have a $315 max loan amount for 30% down. They need to have a 680 FICO score and purchase transactions only. So they can't refinance with us. Okay, that's our lot loan product. Let's talk about our conforming. This is our conforming new construction loan. This one has a 1% construction fee. It also, the appraisal fee, inspection fees, all of those pretty normal. We can do it on owner occupied or a second home. They need a 680 credit score at 20% down or a 700 FICO at 10% down. So we can do this with 10% down. They can do a single family residence or a duplex owner occupied, so 1 to 2 units, or a 1 unit second home. Conventional loan, a 30 and 15 year fixed. It's a 9 or 11 month construction term for this one, and it's interest only during construction. Okay, so that's the high level on that one. Our jumbo construction loan is a 2-step construction loan where they get the construction financing, then we refinance them out after. So that would be this video right here. 25% down up to a $1.5 million loan amount, primary residence. 20% down up to $1 million primary. 30% down up to $1 million on a second home. New stick-built construction or renovation, they need to have a 720 FICO. Construction loan is interest only, maximum of 15 acres. And what I love about this program, this is where we win deals, $7,500 flat construction fee. It's not 1%, it's not 2%. Many jumbo construction loans require 1%. So if you're borrowing $1 million, that's 10 grand right there. We cap at $7,500. That's our flat construction fee. We then refund them $3,000 when they refinance with us, right? Because it's a 2-step. So technically, we're only charging $4,500 for our construction loan for the origination fee. That's the lowest I've seen in market. And then the last one was it's just Fannie Mae home style renovation loan, conforming renovation loan. That one is stick built, 1 to 4 unit family owner occupied. So we can do a fourplex owner occupied, single family residence investment property, and single family second home. We can do manufactured homes, has to be owner occupied. It is a one-time close, 15, 20, and 30-year fixed loans, and 9-month construction period. You have a $1,500 home style fee, so that's the origination cost, an appraisal fee, and then a final 442 to re-inspect the home. That's the high level. These 4 videos right here, which I'll include in the email, has the deep dive for each of these if you are curious. Once again, reach out to me via my cell or email if you have any questions at all, or if you have any clients that may be interested in exploring any of these options. Once again, appreciate everything you guys are doing for our shared clients, for the community. Please, 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 we need more inventory. We have a preferred builder lender program as well that we launched. What this program is that if you are building multiple homes in maybe a subdivision, or whatever that looks like, 5 homes, 20 homes, 100 homes, what we can do is we can do some joint marketing. We can also do where we give a $2,000 credit. If the builder and or seller gives a $2,000 credit, we will match up to $2,000. If you give a $10,000 credit, which we're seeing $10,000 to $20,000 builder credits to keep those price points in those subdivisions, we'll match that $2,000. All we ask is that the client applies with us. We verify, for you guys, it's great because we verify that they are fully approved. Nothing's going to happen with their financing. And we're able to give them a credit to do seller buy downs, to buy down the interest rate, to make the home more affordable. It's a fantastic program. We have all the documentation set out. So if you have any questions or concerns about that, reach out to me. I'd be happy to help. My email is very simple, dylan@evergreenhomeloans.com. Cell number 360-927-5897. Call, text me anytime. Looking forward to hearing from you.